Hey fellow YouTubers, this is N0AGI. Say just a quick short video um, about this Thumbwheel switch that you saw in my previous video. And in the last video we took a look at the binary LEDs. I have hooked up this NIXIE Tube breakout board I made with this PCB here. Let me pull it up quick. So this is just a very simple board, nothing fancy. There's the NIXIE Tube 12N holder, and the PCB. I got these PCBs on I believe banggood.com. I got about 40 of these for a really good price, and they came in the mail the other day. So what I did basically was I took some header pins, soldered that together, and then basically took out each of the wires, each of the NIXIE Tube pins into the header pins. So just like a quick breakout board. And then you can take these out and then use this for testing purposes, etc. So nothing fancy, just to make it easy for me to test things, etc. So what I did here was just to quickly show you, this is the K155 chip that we saw in my previous NIXIE Tube videos. In this circuit, the way I hooked this up is to connect up the 4-bit binary output to the inputs for the chip, so that it can convert the binary to the NIXIE Tube decimal. And as you saw in my previous video, this chip knows and is capable of driving larger voltage from this DC to DC booster. Alright, so let me quickly hook this up. I'm going to power this off quickly, and I'm going to just plug this in, and let's turn it on now. So, and you can push down the up and down switches on this Thumbwheel switch, and works pretty good. Now what I'm hoping to do is use this as my base circuit for future projects. One of the things I'm working on is a NIXIE Tube clock, and I'm also looking at doing a project for my Jeep on putting in some retro looking displays in my Jeep. So anyways, so I'm looking at using these Thumbwheel switches for some projects there. So again, this is nothing fancy, just a quick way to show and tell how a Thumbwheel switch can be utilized to drive a NIXIE Tube display. With that, we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.